Namaste and welcome to yet another series of Drishti Manthan, a platform for wellness, mind restructuring and therapeutic programming. So today, let's talk about connecting with the nature. But before that, please do connect with my website www.drishtimanthan.com and kindly have a look at all the therapeutic and mind restructuring programs that I have specifically designed for you. And in case you're interested for one-to-one counseling, therapeutic counseling rather, please do connect on my email ID so that I can very well shortly connect with you back. All right. What are the 5 elements of nature? Earth, water, fire, air and space. Pure souls, now you must be thinking that actually what difference does it make when you connect with the nature? But the answer is it makes a lot of difference also on your emotional intelligence as well as your physical wellness. Connecting with Supreme is like connecting with the nature and vice versa. Connecting with the nature is again connecting with the Supreme. This is a universe which is a cosmos, and this cosmos is made up of those 5 elements. And what are we made up of? Even we are made up of those 5 elements. Actually, every component is made out of those 5 elements. That's called the Pancha Mahabhut therapy. It's like connecting your 5 elements that are inside and bridging with the 5 elements of the nature. That's how that synchronization happens. And once you come in sync with the nature, blessings start coming into your life. It's like lot of divine energies. You are taking lot of positive energies. But one thing which we need to remember, pure souls, is once you sit with the nature, please disconnect with the social media, with your cell phones, because that is, you are blocking the energies, you're choking the energies. We need to channelize the energies from inside to outside and outside to inside. We need to, beautifully merge with the nature, and that will only happen when you are just with yourself. You're having that me time. It's like meditation. That's very important. That's why please disconnect with the outside world and connect with your inside world. That's very important. What positive energy, what beautiful connection. You will realize it all by yourself. It works like magic. It's so beautiful, divine and peaceful. Now, connecting with nature also teaches us certain values in life. For example, right now I'm sitting on the ground, so I'm directly connecting to Mother Earth. What are the values? Surrender, Vairagya Bhav, surrender completely. Stay peaceful, stay calm, and last but not the least, stay grounded, stay humble. That's the most important quality. And once we take those divine qualities, those values from the nature, our life is sure going to change. It will change for better. It's like those small things which trouble you in your life will no more be there. Those negative thoughts will get away and fill up your life with bright sunshine and positivity. I understand, technology is important, but pure souls at the same time, we need to understand it when to cut off with that technology and connect with Mother Nature. Mother Nature has lot to offer in abundance, so let's make the most out of it. Remember, when the nature is at your back, the blessings will be there on your front. You are a special gift of God into this world. Heal yourself, heal the people, heal the environment, because only you have the power. Stay positive, stay fit, stay happy and stay smiling, but also stay tuned to this channel because I will be meeting you on a weekly basis for our regular interactions on many such more interesting topics. Till then, stay blessed.